So I haven't really talked to the camera at all today. We made dinner, or I made dinner. That HelloFresh thing that I got, because I got a free coupon for it, and I was supposed to make it last weekend, but I didn't, so I made it today. And it was alright. I took out some few stuff because I didn't feel like doing it that way, like they said, but it was alright. I don't know if I would buy it again, but yeah. And then today, or this morning, me and Trey took our test for school. We passed the class, and we're done for the semester, and then have like a month off of school. And then we went grocery shopping. And then when we got at home, I put everything away and then came upstairs and basically took like a 4-hour, 3-hour nap when I was only gonna take like an hour nap. Not even realizing that I just knocked out and fell asleep. So yeah. Now I'm going to, I don't know, I'm probably gonna take a shower real fast and then go downstairs and do the dishes. And then once I do that, I can open up our advent calendar. I've been keeping up with the advent calendar on YouTube, or for Vlogmas, but all the other advent calendars that I have for TikTok that I was been filming, yeah, I'm like 4 days behind on that. I just get too lazy to do it, and I'm just like, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'll see y'all guys soon. Okay, now let's do these dishes. So I finished washing the dishes and I ended up cleaning the whole kitchen as I showed y'all. And I tried to do that stupid transition thing where I snapped. I just wanted to try it out, but it probably turned out stupid. But oh well. But last thing is to do for this Vlogmas Day 13 is the advent calendar. So let's do the advent calendar. Day 13 is right here. And it's a little trumpet. If it wants to. Nope. Nope. Hello. Okay, well, it's a trumpet. It doesn't want to focus, but that's pretty much it for Vlogmas Day 13, and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.